ZJI fittings are the most versatile and capable sump entry fittings in the world. The following video will demonstrate the ZJI rigid flex fitting installation process with Brugg pipe. Using a manual or automatic adhesive gun, apply a thick bead of Sikaflex adhesive to both gaskets of the fitting's inner and outer housings. With the proper size hole saw, drill a single hole in the sump or container wall. Install the inner and outer fitting housings by lining up the bolts with their respective holes. Install the washers and nuts provided in the ZJI Rigid Flex Fitting Kit. Tighten the nuts in a star pattern. Be sure to confirm tightness using a hand wrench. Run the Brugg pipe into the sump or container and install the inner and outer fitting boot. Tighten the outer band clamp on each boot. Apply the fast fuse bonder to the insert and to the inner portion of the fitting boot. Then install the insert. Tighten the inner band clamp around the insert.